Oh,
Okay, good morning and welcome to McCurry Woods. Today we're going to do the Mighty Mule 350 automatic gate opener install for your mom with your mom. I'm Tim McCurry and this is Mary, my mom.
hi, I'm Mary McCrary, and I'm very excited to do this project with my son and to benefit all the wonderful things about this gate.
Okay, today we're going to go over how to build the fence, how to install the gate, and then how to install the gate opener, and then how to install the solar panels to get it all set up. So to do those projects, we have to have some tools. So I've got them laid out here. I'm going to go over what tools you're going to need. Okay, so let's start off with the gate opener, the Mighty Mule 350. We opted for the single, and then we got the 5-watt solar charger system. We've opted to go with the Deep Cycle marine battery. Nice little case for it. We're gonna do the fence also, and we're gonna do, I think we've got 8 bags of this fast setting concrete. Of course, tape measure, shovel, chainsaw, level, laser level. We've got nice fence brackets. I opted to go with a little bit better hinges. We're also going to put up some fencing to our posts. So we've got the staples. We're gonna got our screw gun. We got our posts, square posts and round posts. Can't do this without our post hole digger. Here is our beautiful 12-foot gate, and there's our fencing we're going to put up. And we have a water source. Since we're out on the property where we don't have electricity or water, we had to bring our own bucket of water for the concrete. Here's our quad and my beautiful mom to run around on the quad. And let's get this show on the road. Okay, so we got the post up. We're getting ready to find out where we're going to mount it onto the hinges onto the post. What I wanted to do is using that block as a spacer across the bottom of the fence, just to give us an idea of where how high up the ground it's going to be. That's going to tell us where our hinge is going to go. So I'm going to mock those in, drill those out, and set those up. Okay, so when we set our posts, we set up the concrete and set them up there and made sure they were nice and level on 2 sides, and they're looking pretty darn good. So there's not much we can do about changing that now. Now we're going to go and join these 2 up side by side. Okay, so from here to here, we're going to put another piece of wood, and from here to here, which is going to strengthen that one post right there, the one that actually swings and holds onto the gate. So over the years, it won't start sagging down this way. So we just measured up the distance between there, cut 2 pieces, and there's a special bracket. I'll show you how that goes in. Okay, I measured between those 2 posts right there to put in the 2 support posts from side to side, to be about 47 inches. And I have gone and measured this out over here for that round post. Got it mocked up and tied down. And we're going to cut it out right here at 47 inches, plus or minus, with the chainsaw. And I'll cut 2 of them over there, and then we'll get it up on there. Okay, so in setting these posts up, we got these special little brackets. Okay, and they look like this right here, and they will attach to the end of the post like that, one on each end, and then they will go and get mounted up onto the gate post between the posts like that. And there's one there, and then I'll put one down below, and that will just help fortify and strengthen that one single post that is holding the weight of the gate. Okay, so Mom and I are going to hang the gate now, and we've been adjusting the hinges to make the gate perfectly level, and we're getting real close. So we're going to lift the gate up, and Mom's going to tighten up on the one hinge. Here we go. Go ahead, Mom. Great. Done.
Now we're going to talk about leveling. In our case, the gate was too low at the end, so we needed to raise that part of it. So we came over here and we loosened this nut and we tightened this one. So that made that smaller. And this one down here, we went ahead and loosened it, but we let the space come out. So it went out, and that automatically brought this end up, which you can see now that it is level. Now you would be reversing that if your case is different. If the end was too high, then you would do just the opposite.
Okay, so one of the things that screwed me up was programming it to stop where I wanted it to stop, but opening up, it's only going to open up and stop at one spot. You can't program the open up. So when you're setting up your gate to open up, you better find the spot over here that it opens up and stops at the correct spot. And that's just going to be depending on where you're going to bolt this through your gate. So let that thing close all the way, let this suck itself in all the way, and then find your spot on here where your gate's going to open, and then bolt it in. That's going to be your opening up spot. The other spot, when you close it, you can control where you want to close it, but you can't close it, you can't control where you're going to open it. Okay, so get that set up the right way.
Okay, let's talk about the wiring. So out of the unit itself, you've got two wires. One of these wires is for your transmitter for your remote, and that's just going to be your antenna. So that follows up, and that goes to that right there. You want to get that in a nice good spot where make sure you get a good reception for your remote. The other wire is just your power wire, and let's follow that. I needed to lengthen mine a little bit, and I've put it through some conduit and then sealed the conduit, and then it goes down to the ground, and then it comes up to my battery box. Take a look at the battery box, and I've got my solar panel and my power with fuse going right to my 12-volt Marine deep cycle battery. Okay, also on our wiring, we also installed the solar panel, which this one here is a solar panel that charges the 12-volt battery for the opener. We also have another solar panel
which is right here, which is for our light, our motion sensor light. And then around the corner, we have our security camera. And all that wiring comes down and also joins in to the conduit, underground, and into our battery.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome back to McCurry Woods for the conclusion of our gate and fence project for your mom with your mom. I'm Tim McCurry, and this is my mom, Mary McCurry, and we got it done.
Hello, this is Mary, and I am so freaking excited. Not only did I have one son, I had two sons. I have an amazing gate, and it is so exciting. And I'm a happy mom.
A lot of fun project. Everybody get out there, do a project with your mom.
And call him if you need any advice.
Get you some of that. Woo!